Mag-i-impeach po tayo ng Vice President na binoto ng 32 million na Pilipino dahil lang sa suspetsa. It keeps saying that a forensic review will uncover unexplained assets. But as of now, wala naman napakita yung complaint. Wala man lang attachments na kahit ano to prove itong sinasabi na unexplained wealth. To immediately label this as pattern of concealment without clear proof of intent is unfair and speculative at best, Madam Chair.
So I remind yung mga members of Congress, you are representatives. I was once a representative. So tanungin niyo po ang constituents ninyo. Kasi nung nandun tayo sa yung last election, I think the Filipino people have spoken. They don't want this impeachment to happen. So I urge the fellow members of Congress, magkonsulta muna kayo sa distrito na inyong pinaglilingkuran, magkonsulta kayo sa mga sektor na inyong pinaglilingkuran, pabor ba sila dito? Kasi representatives tayo. Let us follow and consult our constituencies.
Maski yung kasama ko sa civil society, kasama ko sa Dilawan, they are so afraid of a Sara presidency that they would sacrifice the truth.
Sabi sa akin, guy, yung mga salita mo nakakapagpalakas kay Sara Duterte. Sabi ko, mali yan, Secretary. Ang nagpapalakas kay Duterte ay ang patuloy ng mga palpak na polisiya ng Administrasyong Marcos. Sinabi magpapakulong December 15, nagpakulong ba kahit isa? Sinabi ipapasa yung Independent Commission for Infrastructure na mag-iimbestiga. Pinasaba, binola lang kami. Sabi, magpapasa ng isang makatotohanang anti-political dynasty. Ipa-priority. Ano nangyari?